Hi everyone, now Saturday, being the same city Clark. First I want to go to MaxiCare to test my blood, and after also I want to see helmet for me, for myself, because for Shira I already bought helmet, and today I want to see helmet for me, because my helmet already visor is not good quality. Also we walk in SM Clark. I use only mobile phone. I not bring camera. Maybe later we're going to CDC Park. We don't know. Just only I want to say thank you for watching in advance. And also later I will ask about Walking Street renovation and Walking Street. What change in the future in Walking Street? I will ask Shira. Same city Clark. Today more people. Saturday. More fun in the Walking Street. Walking Street empty right now. So we go inside. Shira already inside. Hi. Shira, so first we go into the MaxiCare, okay? Yeah, Saturday usually many people in the same Clark. Shira waiting for me. This way going to MaxiCare. They have also call centers. This is call center and have another call center. In close, I already don't have call center. This side is parking, but it's not big space. That's why we not try to park. Oh, also call center close. But it's already, it's not holiday now. This open. Take a look, this is MaxiCare. MaxiCare open now. Yeah, very good. And I don't know, have people or not. Not so many people, it's okay, good. Shira, you know, need face mask use. I can not allow here take video, but I take video only Shira. But it's good, it's not so many people. Again, need to come back to MaxiCare because don't have doctors now. Most of the doctors now not available. Maybe holidays now. Romantic Baboy. Good restaurant. Shira already have coffee. I bought for her coffee. Oh, it's good. International restaurant. Celebrate your birthday. Shira faster. I know Shira won't eat because that's why she faster. Are you hungry, Shira? Hungry? That's why you want to run to the restaurant. And we go inside to SM. Good evening. SM City Clark. You see. Foods and drinks. What available. Quick service. This is quick service. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, sweet. So many cakes. Shira hungry. She wants so faster. Coco, new restaurant, Coco. Name of Coco. Manam restaurant. Healthy options also, Marigame, Udon. Yeah, today many people. Saturday. Straight, Shaira. Straight. Yeah, who don't know so many people. Kuya restaurant also. Of course, Din Typhoon. Shaira, take a look. Din Typhoon. So many people now waiting. Maybe someday we will go to eat Din Typhoon. Yeah, so many. You see, very popular restaurant. In Manila I see also. Take a look, we're waiting. Really so many people. Spider helmet. I want to buy Spider Arrow. Already second generation. This one. Arrow 2. Yeah, it's good. Price is 5,000 peso. Okay, Shaira, good for me.
Yes.
This lens,
Lancer.
no, for clean lens.
No. This one is 1,000.
What is this?
It's the white.
Intercom.
Purple.
This is 5,000. 5. Also have glasses. Same brand maybe. It's me. Shaira. This is my helmet. New. I have Arrow first generation. This is second generation. They give me also free visor, clear lens. Okay, we're going to eat right now. Shaira won't drink. McDonald's. Shaira, food court if available. I want shrimp, but you can choose what you want. We already near food court. I hope we can find table. Oh, have tables. It's good. And many tables available today. We can sit here. It's good. Shaira, you can order for me with shrimp. What Shaira order now? This is for me. This is shrimp. Shrimp. Rice I don't want. It's for Shaira. Shaira, what is this? Gyudon. Same Japanese restaurant we before. What? Gyudon. But for me it's better, this one. 2 shrimp, sweet potato, cabbage, salad. I don't know. What is this, Shaira? Gel. Rice. It's... Shaira can eat more rice because I don't want so much rice. I want to say about Walking Street, new model of Walking Street. They want to change to street foods. For me, even they close or not close, I not care about this. I not go to the bar. even we are not allowed filming or not, or don't have bars, it's okay for me. I will ask Shaira. Shaira, what do you think about walking street?
It's not
Huh?
my problem.
It's not your problem. Even a close or not close, have bar or don't have. So it's not problem for us. We can take video anywhere.
But if they want some people to some more tourists here in the Philippines, better they do it like food hub or food restaurant there in Walker Street. It's better rather than
Okay, Shaira say better restaurants more. More tourists come. But no, maybe it's my opinion. Don't have bars. Western tourists not go to the Angeles. Better going to another place.
or maybe they will do some lowest price of the bar fine or the drinks like this. More people come. You need to take a look how Thailand do to make to attract some customers or some tourists.
I think if have a good infrastructure and prices low in the bar, yes, it's Shaira right. Maybe tourists will come back to Angeles City. It's my opinion only. Shawarma again, many people. Take a look, so many. We already prepare go to home, but I forgot. We need to bring my helmet and spider shop. So we need come back to pick up. If I not say to Shaira, maybe we going to home already without new helmet with a spider shop. Yes, it's good. It's already second time. Before I bought my first helmet 7 years ago, and now I bought another new. Okay, thank you very much. So this is helmet. We're going to home right now. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.
Who don't like, better subscribe. Thank you.